Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore list formatting options in Google Docs. Now, before you can do this, you have to have a list. Here I have a nice little list of subsection headings and section headings and all sorts of good stuff, but I want it to be a bulleted list. And so if I highlight that list and I go to Format, under Bullets and Numbering, I can choose to make it a numbered list. If I hover over Numbered List, I have several options that I can use for the styling there. If I want to make a bulleted list, I have more options for bulleted lists, no numbers but shapes. If I wanted to, I could turn this into a checklist of things that I could check off once they were completed. I'm going to go with a numbered list, and we'll just pick this one. It doesn't really matter. Alright, so now I have this list, but let's say my list has several levels of indentation. So let's say these two need to be indented a bit more. So if I highlight those two, and I go to Format, Bullets and Numbering, if I go to Format, Align and Indent, I can increase the indent, and now it moves it to the next level of those list headers. So it went from 1 and 2, and now it's indented one level, so now it's A and B. Notice also that if I go to Format, with a list, I now have this option available to me, the list options, and so I can determine a little bit more what that list will look like. I can choose specific styles for numbers and letters and shapes and things. Just a lot more that I can control, view more bullets. All right, can I use these as bullets if you want? Can you edit prefix and suffix? Sure. So do you want a period, a parenthesis, a bracket, a star? Who knows? Or you can put the entire parentheses around something like so maybe you want it to be all in parentheses. So there's a lot of options you have when formatting lists, bulleted and numbered lists in your Google Docs. It all depends on how you want to format them and what you want them to look like.